Yeonwoo is a South Korean singer and actress managed by MLD Entertainment. She was born on August 1, 1996 in Seoul, South Korea. She is best known as a former member of the girl group Momoland. She is the lead rapper, vocalist and the face of the group. She attended a School of Performing Arts Seoul. In 2016, Yeonwoo became a contestant of a men's reality survival show Finding Momoland to select the members of MLD Entertainment's new girl group Momoland. She finished the competition in 5th place and debuted Momoland. They debuted on November 10, 2016 with the mini album Welcome to Momoland. Prior to joining Momoland under MLD Entertainment, the singer used to be a playlist and MBK trainee, having released a number of singles, EPs and albums as a part of Momoland, such as Welcome to Momoland, Freeze, Great, Fun to the World and Show Me. Being a part of the single titled Boom Boom that peaked at number 2 in the Gaon Digital chart as well as in a K-pop Hot 100 chart, at number 4 in a Oricon Singles chart, at number 9 in a Billboard Japan Hot 100 and at number 4 in the Billboard charts, and was also certified a platinum by KMCA. Other than singing, she has also starred in several MVs and have been a host for On Style's Beautiful Life and the show. The celebrated artist also did a cover song with Yeon from Pentagon. In the year 2019, she has left the group and started to work in films and music. Later, Momoland agency's MLD Entertainment made an official statement that Yeonwoo is supposed to make a hard comeback in the music industry with her single. However, the singer remains in the agency but focuses more on acting rather than singing, while Taeha would be leaving to pursue acting with another agency. Yeonwoo is not only good at dancing and singing but also at acting and drawing. Yeonwoo's full name is Lida Bin. Yeonwoo has acted in television dramas including Pegasus Market, Touch and Cheat on Me If You Can. Before she decided to focus more on acting, the star had released several hits. Yeonwoo went famous for her performance in her own country, South Korea, as well as in other countries. She is from South Korea and holding Korean nationality. Most of the time, she is known for the appearance in the Finding Momoland show as one of the contestants. At the end of the show, she was holding the 5th position. Yeonwoo's songs are popular on radio stations around the world. She was also added to the main cast of the South Korean television series The Mangbin Chronicle in 2019.